Hi, in this video we are going to see the assistant professor associate as well as the professor vacancies and the adjunct and visiting faculty, different multiple vacancies from the multiple colleges, guys. So I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the faculty job notifications from all over the India. Okay, so please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered here, then please mention your subjects in the or else your requirement in the comment section. So based upon that one, definitely I will come up in the next video if I got any requirements. And to get my videos as a notifications to your devices, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UGC NET December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Unacademy paid courses are there. By keeping in mind the UGC NET December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. Well, coming to the present content of the video. So here the first one is BNM Degree College from Bangalore. So required the faculty in commerce to teach BCom or BBA or MCom subjects. Candidates with MCom, NET or SLET or retired teachers of eminence in commerce and management subjects are preferred, and apply within 7 days from the date of this advertisement to bnmdeg.college@gmail.com. Fine. So if you are having the master's degree along with that one, the NET or SLET is there, then you may apply for this degree college, guys, for the commerce subject. And here the mail ID is also provided, you may check down. Okay, so next one is Nagarjuna Institute from Nagalok. Okay, so affiliated to Nagpur University, and the required contributory post. So here walk-in interview for the assistant professor designation for the subjects BA English and BA Hindi and BA Pali literature. So for each and every subject, one vacancy is there, and the qualification and the pay scales, everything as per the UGC norms. And the qualified candidates walk in with complete biodata along with certificates and the testimonials and photographs. So walk-in interview date is 10th 9 2021, and the time is 11 to 1 p.m. and the contact number is also provided here. If you are having any queries regarding this interview or else this process, then you may contact this number. Fine. And coming to the next one is ITM Institute of Hotel Management. So in this one, opportunities exist at the below mentioned levels. So professor associate and the assistant professor vacancies in the area of food production, food and beverage service and room division management and general management. Qualification experience as per the University of Mumbai norms. Adjunct or visiting faculty positions are also there in the same departments. Okay, and senior professional training and placement. And the interested candidates may send your CV to careers@itm.edu. If you are having any queries regarding this one, you may contact this number, guys. Here the number is 8433973102. Okay, so you may contact this number. And coming to the fourth college is, so it is looking a little bit blur, but I will make you confirm the details. So it is Gandhigram Women's B.Ed College, guys. Gandhigram Women's B.Ed College, that is SNDT University affiliated to. And here the principal and assistant professor positions are there. So I will tell you the subjects for the assistant professor. In education, 2 posts are there, one for essay and one for open category. The qualification required are postgraduate in social sciences with 55% of marks and MEd degree with 55% of marks. PhD is not mandatory, it is desirable only. Okay, so it is a qualification. Coming to assistant professor full-time pedagogy subjects, total 4 positions are there. Qualification required is master's degree in science or mathematics or social sciences or languages with 55% of marks, and a MEd degree with minimum 55% of marks. These are the qualification required. Assistant professor health and physical education, 1 post is there. So master of physical education with minimum 55% of marks. Training or qualification in yoga education shall be desirable. That means physical education with masters of physical education with minimum 55 marks is enough to apply for this post. And the next one is assistant professor of fine arts, 1 post is there. So PG degree, PG degree in fine arts with minimum 55% of marks. And assistant professor in performing arts, music, dance, theatre, one post is there. So PG degree in those respective disciplines with 55% of marks. And the librarian one post is there. The qualifications are mentioned here. You may check down. Okay, so mode of application. Duly qualified candidate shall apply on a plain paper giving complete biodata application enclosing therewith certified copies of all certificates, graduate, PG, mark sheet, caste certificate, no objection certificate, validity certificate, Aadhaar card and 2 passport color photos so as to reach the chairman of the trust on the above address within 21 days from the date of the publication of this one. So also send resume and necessary documents on mail also. Here the contact number is there 9422 505289. The contact number is not clearly visible. Anyhow, here the phone number is also there 07152260729, and here the mail ID is also there. Okay, so you may check down, guys. Once visit the official website of this college, then you may get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. That is Gandhigram Women's B.Ed College. Fine. And coming to the next one is Guru Hari Krishna Girls College, affiliated to Punjabi University, Patiala, and approved by the AICTE New Delhi. So walk-in interview on 1/9/2021 at morning 11 o'clock in college campus for the post of office clerk and a lecturer for subjects chemistry, botany, history, English, Punjabi, commerce, physics, Bachelor of Library, and a qualification and pay scale as per the Punjabi University Patiala UGC AICTE norms. So if you're having any queries regarding this one, here the contact number is also there. So interested candidates may contact this number and clear your doubts. Fine. And the next one is DRV DAV Sanitary College, Pilaur. So from this one here, they wanted the experienced assistant professor on purely ad hoc or temporary basis. In English, 2 vacancies, Punjabi 2 vacancies, Hindi part-time, economics, political science, history, commerce 4 vacancies, physical education, computer science 3, music, fashion, design and maths, and qualification as per the UGC or Punjabi University. And you have to apply within 21 days with attested photocopies of certificates. So for details, you may contact the number 01826 222 So it is one college. And coming to the next one is the Surya Datta College of Hospitality Management and Travel Tourism, Pune. So here they require the full-time faculty positions for the Department of Assistant Professor in the BSc Hospitality Studies like food production, F&B service, accommodation services, hospitality law, hospitality accounting. Okay, so total 9 vacancies are there. And a BSc Home Science Assistant Professor, Human Anatomy and Physiology, and the remaining things are given here. Total 2 vacancies, and Assistant Professor in BSc Fashion Design 2 vacancies. So Physical Director 1, Librarian 1, Storekeeper 1, and Students Section Clerk 1. And the qualifications and experience and APA, everything as per the UGC norms, guys. And how to apply means you have to apply within 15 days by sending your detailed resume, color photo, and self-certified photocopy of all relevant documents by post or else email. It's better to email, right? So career@suryadatta.edu.in. Fine. So whoever the candidates having the only post graduation or PG plus UGC or yes, for assistant professor PhD is not mandatory. Okay, so these candidates may send your whatever the documents they're asking to this provide mail ID within 15 days from the date of the publication of this advertisement. And the next one is the SIPNA College of Engineering and Technology. So from this one, Computer Science and Engineering and Information Technology assistant professor vacancies are there. So interested candidates may send your application and complete resume on career@sipnaengg.ac.in. Fine. And coming to the next one is GH Rai Soni College of Engineering and Management, and here the applications are invited for the post of professor and associate professor, means PhD is compulsory. Okay, so for these departments, okay guys. So total is all the details regarding this complete different colleges. So I shown you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So from 9 different colleges, the different vacancies and the different subjects are there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Okay. So thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, Here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.